Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you 9 small town side hustles that make big money. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, then these small town side hustles are perfect for you. So don't wait any longer and subscribe to my channel now, and also smash the like button. You won't regret it. Now let's dive right in. Number 1, painting jobs. There's a significant demand for painting services among residents of rural areas and small towns. Painting does not require a great deal of training, but it does require the artist to be meticulous and neat. You might offer your skills to paint a variety of objects, including mailboxes, gas tanks, homes, garages, barns and wooden fences, among other things. Be careful to thoroughly prepare the area that will be painted and select the appropriate kind of paint for the task at hand. You can find instructions on how to properly paint surfaces by searching for them on YouTube or on websites that focus on home improvement. Start by perfecting your abilities in the confines of your own home until you feel confident enough to share them with others. 2. Selling homegrown veggies. People have a strong preference for purchasing locally sourced food, particularly if it was grown using organic methods. If you have an interest in gardening and you have some land, both of which are characteristics of individuals who live in rural locations, you may be able to generate some income by cultivating foods that other people are willing to pay for. You may try selling your vegetables and herbs on the side of the road, at a neighboring farmer's market, or in the parking lot of a nearby business. All 3 of these locations are viable options. Tomatoes, cucumbers, corn, peppers, and green onions are some examples of the kinds of vegetables and herbs that seem to do particularly well when marketed in this manner. If you utilize containers and shelves, you can fit quite a few of these fruits, veggies, and herbs into a relatively little space. 3. Be a local tour guide. A significant number of people who live in cities and suburbs have their vacations in the rural areas and small towns that are located in the surrounding area. If you have a lot of information about your small town or rural area, you should give some thought to the possibility of giving your services as a tour guide to visitors who come to your area. You can help people in the neighborhood who are making plans for holidays or day trips by offering assistance, exchanging information with them regarding available housing alternatives, and guiding tourists to local points of interest in the area. In addition to advising clients on where to find the most desirable dining business in the neighborhood, you can also make recommendations for various sporting and recreational activities. You should make sure that the cost of your local tour guide services is clearly communicated on various social media websites, such as Instagram and Facebook. 4. Take up local photography. Both rural and suburban settings provide photographers with a wide variety of stunning subjects and settings to work with. Why not give photography a go if you're in possession of a camera that is of a high grade or a mobile device that has a camera that is of reasonable quality? You can sell your images to community or county newspapers, or you can submit them to stock photo websites like Shutterstock and sell them there. Either way, you can make money off of your photography. If you do that, website owners will be able to acquire the right to use your photo, and stock photo companies like Shutterstock will offer you a portion for each sale of your photo if they use it. 5. Retail arbitrage. The process of buying something at a cheap price and then selling it at a higher price in order to make a profit is known as retail arbitrage. Objects that have been dumped and left by the side of the road are familiar sights in rural areas and small towns. Residents of small towns and rural areas appear to care less about making a penny and more about organizing their houses and farms than they do about making money. You can gain some excellent prices on products for the home, for farming, and for great lots of other things if you are familiar with what the items are worth, and if you are ready to put some effort into cleaning them up. It's possible to make considerable amounts of money by selling them at a fair price. This is especially true in regions where older homes have accumulated large amounts of junk, some of which may be precious antiques. 6. Labor jobs. As a result of the migration of younger citizens to larger cities in search of employment prospects, many rural and small towns are experiencing severe labor shortages. Individuals who are physically unable to undertake manual tasks on their own or residents who are older than average frequently have many needs that require assistance. Here are several examples of labor jobs: farm workers, janitors, laundry services, and home cleaners. These small town labor jobs offer competitive pay, flexible hour, and a consistent demand for workers. Plus, if you're looking to start your own small business or just make some extra money on the weekends, this type of side hustle can be very profitable. It may not be glamorous work, but it's an essential service that small towns need and that you can provide. Invest in the right tools and equipment, network with small business owners, and market yourself well to make small town labor side hustle really pay off. 7. Handyman services. Handymen are always in high demand because everyone needs help with small repairs from time to time. And since you can work from home, you have more control over your work schedule. Offering handyman services in rural areas can be a lucrative side hustle. There are several services that you can offer, such as home repairs, painting and decorating, electrical work, plumbing, and carpentry. To get started, make sure that you have the necessary tools and equipment. Start by networking with local residents and let them know what services you offer. Promote yourself well, and you should start to see some results. 8. Become an Airbnb host. If you rent out a room or portion of your house using a platform such as Airbnb, you may help offset the cost of things like rent and utilities, which can make it more affordable to own a home even if it's expensive to do so. If you have extra room in your house, you can use Airbnb to make money by renting it out to guests, and in the process, you can earn up to $2,500 in additional income each month. You might start your own weekend side job by becoming an Airbnb host and listing your home and any spare bedrooms to travelers who wish to book through Airbnb. If you do this, you will need to have at least one bedroom available. If you follow these steps, you will immediately be able to start earning money. You may be able to quickly make additional money from hosting guests on Airbnb. And if you gain a little bit of momentum in the marketplace, you may even be able to put that additional money toward paying down your rent or mortgage. 9. Advertise on your car. This is a great way to make money that doesn't require any physical labor on the part of the person. Companies will pay you to have a wrap put on your car, and they will pay you to drive it around certain areas while commercials are shown on the wrap. This is in exchange for advertising space on your car. You can get the right to not see a certain ad in the future if it makes you feel uncomfortable in any way. This only applies if the ad in question makes you feel bad. Thanks for watching. Small town side hustles can be a great way to make money, and they offer a lot of flexibility and variety. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, or if you're interested in starting your own small business, these side hustles are definitely worth checking out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos and kindly like this one.